students, you should be very careful about the use of present, past and participle form of the following verbs. You are often confused and you may use incorrectly. So listen carefully. Lie, lay and lane. Like she laid down to have some rest. Right one. She laid down to have some rest. It's a wrong one because lie first form, lay second form and lane is third form. I want to lie down on the green grass. Right. I want to lay down on the green grass. It's a wrong one. Lay, laid, laid. The hen has laid no eggs today. Right one. The hen has lain no eggs today. Wrong one. She laid the baby on the bed. Right one. She lay the baby on the bed. Wrong one. Hang, hanged, hanged. The prisoner was hanged. Right one. The prisoner was hung. Wrong one. Hang, hung, hung. She hung the clothes on the blue line to dry. Right one. She hanged the clothes on the blue line to dry. Wrong one. Raise, raised, raised. He raised the baby above his shoulder. Right one. He rose the baby above his shoulder. Wrong one. Overflow, overflowed, overflowed. The river has overflowed its banks. The river has overflown its banks. So, first one is right one and overflown its bank, it's a wrong one. Bear, bore, borne. I have borne many difficulties in life. Right one. I have borne many difficulties in life. Wrong one. So, while writing down, we should remember the correct forms of the verb. Now comes miscellaneous mistake in the use of verbs. Enjoy must be followed by an object. Okay, the word enjoy must be followed by an object always. Like he enjoys good health. Good health object, right? We enjoyed our picnic yesterday. Our picnic, right? We went for a picnic and enjoyed very much. There is no object, like very much is not an object, so it's the wrong one. We went for a picnic and enjoyed ourselves very much. Ourself object, right one. We went for a picnic and enjoyed it very much. It is an object, so it's also a right one. Students, hope means to expect something good. When we expect something good, we use hope. I hope she will fail. It is a wrong one because it is not a good expectation. It is a fear. I fear she will fail. I hope she will be better soon. It's a right one. It's a good hope. I hope she won't get better. It's a wrong one. It's a fear actually. Now come expect. Expect means to think that something good or bad can happen. Expect means that something good or bad can happen. It's a think. We can expect to succeed at last. We expect price not to come down. Now come look at. Look at means implies attention. See does not imply attention. Look at implies attention. I saw a book on the table. Please look at the blackboard. It means pay your attention to a blackboard. Please see at the blackboard. It will be wrong. Listen to implies attention. Hear does not imply attention. I can hear his voice. Right one. I can listen his voice. Wrong one. You should listen to what the teacher say. Right one. You should hear what the teacher say. It's the wrong one. We say our prayer, not speak our prayer. Remember, when we talk about prayer, we say it. We don't speak it. I say my prayer daily. Right one. I speak my prayer daily. It's the wrong one. We don't say make a goal. We say score a goal. They made a goal. It's the wrong one. They scored a goal. Right one. We never use pain in the continuous or progressive form. My tooth is aching. Right one. My tooth is paining. Wrong one. So in case of continuous form, we use aching, not paining. Thank you.